how's it going, Cheese? Well, I got the whistle itself, and it's gonna be live on Steam hopefully soon. But here's what the back of it looks like. It looks like it's sandblasted, possibly. That would make noise if it was live. Obviously, the Steam goes right in that home. I can't really explain how it works. Here's the bolt. The bolt's really... Here's the look at it. Top. And, well, hope we get her live. And obviously it would be making noise if it was live too. So, like I said, it'd be loud. Peace.